In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add personalization tokens to a template or snippet in HubSpot, so you can make your emails feel more personal, more engaging, and much more professional. Personalization tokens allow you to automatically pull in contact details like first name, company name, and more, without manually editing every single message. If you're using HubSpot for sales or marketing, this is a feature you definitely want to master. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. From there, click on CRM. When the CRM menu expands, find and click on Message Templates. This is where you can manage all your saved email templates and snippets that your team uses for outreach. Now that you're inside Message Templates, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says New Template. Click on that. At this point, you can either choose from scratch if you want to build a brand new template, or you can select one of the existing templates if you'd prefer to edit something that's already created. For this example, we'll create one from scratch so you can see the full process. Go ahead and fill in the basic sections of your template, like the internal name, the email subject line, and the body content. Start typing your message just like you normally would. Now here's where personalization comes in. Place your cursor exactly where you want the personalization token to appear in the email. For example, if you want to greet your contact by their first name, click at the beginning of your email where you would normally type hi or hello. After placing your cursor, look for the Insert option in the formatting toolbar. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, choose Personalization Token. A new panel will appear allowing you to choose the type of token you want to insert. HubSpot lets you personalize based on different object types such as contact, company, deal, or ticket. For most email outreach, you'll typically select Contact, so go ahead and choose Contact as the token type. Next, select the specific property you want to use. In this example, choose First Name. This means HubSpot will automatically pull in the first name of the contact receiving the email. Now here's a very important step, setting the fallback value. The fallback value is what HubSpot will use if the contact record doesn't have a first name saved. For example, you can type Customer as the fallback value. This ensures your email still reads naturally, even if the data is missing. Instead of saying hi space, it would say hi customer, which looks much more professional. Once you've selected Contact, chosen First Name, and added your fallback value, click Insert. You'll now see the personalization token appear directly inside your email template. You can repeat this same process anywhere in the email body. For example, you could insert a company name token later in the message, or even personalize based on job title. Just click Insert, choose Personalization Token, select the object type, choose the property, set your fallback value, and insert it into the template. When you're happy with your template and all personalization tokens are in place, click Save. Your template is now ready to use. Anytime you send this email through HubSpot, the system will automatically replace the tokens with the correct contact information. And that's it. You now know how to add personalization tokens to a template or snippet in HubSpot. This small step can dramatically improve your open rates, engagement, and overall communication quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.